Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about real practical ways to make money from home using AI in 2026. And I'm not talking about random hype or recycled ideas you've already seen everywhere. I'm talking about proven methods that are actually working right now, based on real experience building AI businesses over the past 3 years and seeing what's delivering results for everyday people. Because the truth is, AI is moving so fast that what worked 6 months ago already feels outdated. New tools and models are launching constantly. And if you understand how to position yourself correctly, you can turn this shift into serious income from your laptop. The first opportunity is AI website flipping, where you find local businesses like dentists, plumbers, accountants, or small clinics whose websites still look like they were built in 2005. You use modern AI website builders to quickly recreate and redesign their site in a clean, modern template using their existing content. And then you simply present them with a finished, upgraded version and offer to sell it for $500, $2, $2,000 depending on your skill level, meaning just a few clients per week can realistically push you toward $10,000 per month. The second method is AI tools audits, which is perfect for beginners because you, Dan T, need coding skills. You simply meet with a business owner, identify their biggest bottlenecks and repetitive tasks, research 3 to 5 AI tools that can solve those exact problems, and deliver a clear recommendation report they can implement. Essentially, you're selling clarity in an overwhelming AI landscape, and businesses are happy to pay hundreds or even thousands for guidance. The third method is building a one-person AI creative studio where you use AI platforms to generate product photos, social media visuals, video ads, and UGC-style content for brands that constantly need fresh creatives, allowing you to offer monthly packages like $2,000 for ongoing content production and stack multiple clients for recurring income. The fourth opportunity is an iPhone agents, where you create automated voice assistants that answer customer questions 24/7, handle fax route bookings, and prevent businesses from missing calls, which you can sell as a setup fee plus a monthly management retainer. And finally, paid AI training is a massive hidden opportunity because companies are spending money on AI tools, but their teams know how to use them properly. So you can offer workshops, live demos, and practical training sessions that show employees how to automate real tasks, starting free to build testimonials and then charging $500 to $5,000 per session depending on the depth. And once you prove value, those businesses often come back for bigger AI projects. Overall, 2026 is not about randomly using AI, it's about solving real business problems with AI, packaging the solution properly, and positioning yourself as the person who understands how to turn new technology into measurable results. And if you focus on delivering clear outcomes instead of chasing trends, you can realistically build a strong income stream from home in this AI-driven economy.